Welcome to Home Tech Systems channel and thank you very much for watching this video. MC4 is a standard followed universally in solar market. MC4 connectors are common on solar panels produced by any manufacturer. Generally, on most solar panels, there are two wires coming off the back of the panel and terminating with male and female MC4 connector. In order to extend these wires to reach your charge controller, we need extension cable with the MC4 connector at the end. It is easy to connect and disconnect MC4 connectors. We will learn how to crimp MC4 connector to make solar panels extension wires, and this video will teach you how to do that. MC4 in MC4 is the short form of the manufacturer multi-contact 4 means 4 mm diameter contact pin. MC4 connectors are two types, male and female connectors. Male usually represents positive pole and female represents negative pole. When we make connectors, we can see that in male connector there is a female pin and in female connector there is a male pin. Therefore, some people consider that male connectors as the one which has male pin and female connector as the one which has a female pin. But we feel this difference only at the time of assembling MC4 connector parts. Once it is assembled, this difference is hidden, and in outside view we have male connector with male appearance and female connector with the female appearance. These are parts of male connector and female connector. End cap of MC4 connector. This is compressive sleeve. This one together with the strain relief will make MC4 connector waterproof. And this one is a strain relief. And this one is a female pin. When connecting with the male connector, what is happening is male pin is inserted inside this female pin like this. You can see now. Thus, both female and male MC4 conductors come into contact. This one is male coupler body. See here how much length we need to strip the copper conductor. Male pin from here to here will go inside the female pin. So this length of inside part of a female pin should be kept free to accommodate the male part when inserted. For female pin till here only copper strands should reach through inside female pin. It is up to 1 inch. If it is more, it will stop male pin from getting inserted in proper length. Similarly, stripped copper strands will go inside male pin from here to here. As a standard, prepare DC wire stripped into 1 inch only for both male and female, not more. We have taken a 4 mm DC cable. Firstly, remove the wire insulation in 1 inch so that wire conductor length is 1 inch. As seen in video, it is already removed and we cut the wire conductor in 1 inch length because it has more length. Now bring the cable through the holes of end cap, then compression sleeve and then strain relief. Place the stripped DC wire strain inside female pin and using a plier with thin lips, close one door first and then the other door on top of it. Like you can watch this video. Insert the female pin into the male coupler body and push it till you hear a tick sound. Then move the end cap and other parts to coupler body and turn it through the thread and fix it. It is always better to use a solar spanner to make it tight, as MC4 connectors are to be waterproof. Now we have finished making male MC4 connector. Similar way you can make it female connector. There is no other way. Follow the same procedure. Now let me wind up this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, I'm happy to read and reply to them. If you like this video, please give your valuable likes, comment and share. Also subscribe my channel and press bell icon to support me to have similar videos reach you. Thank you for your support and time.